All right, so, okay, so we did a logo. How much did the logo cost? How much did we collect from the client? Did I tell you?
Yeah.
Okay, how much did we collect?
60,000.
We collected 60,000 from the client. All right. So, how much did I give you?
Honestly, I think it was above. I think it was 10,000.
I gave you 10K.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
5.
Is it 10K or 5K?
It was for the
Okay,
exam.
it's between 5 or 10K. All right. So the point is, he did the design, the logo design. He got 10K. I got 50K. Who amongst you think that it's possible to collect that amount of money for a logo? GT Bank logo costs how much? For those of you that have been told. Yes, 300. Did you actually believe it? It was hard to believe. Okay, is there anybody here that think, I'm not talking about whether you know how to design yet. Do you think that if you learn how to design, you can do that design? Okay, so now here comes the real question. Pay attention to everything I'm saying now, because this is where the money is. Here comes the real question. So, if you can design it, are you sure you can collect 300 million? How are you going to collect the 300 million? Are you getting the idea now? 9 mobile, 100 million naira. 9 mobile. That 9 you are seeing, like, to design it, 100 million naira. What design were we talking about the other day? Pepsi, right? How much is it worth?
It's 1.2 billion.
Pepsi, you drink Pepsi every day. See, babe, what's your name? Nedu. Shinedu. Ashinedu. Okay, I wanted to just sing for you. You just say Shinedu. 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 You're taking me higher. All right, so this is what you should do. Starting from now. There's no need to suffer. I'm giving answers. I've given it in my mind already, so I want to just bring it out. There's no need to suffer. Okay, I've not known how to design yet. Therefore, let me now be learning how to design. I'll give you a practical now. If you do it now, you'll be shocked what we'll see in the next 30 minutes. You will see how many people that will chat you up for design. So it means you have people that need designs. Because this is design, that's why I'm narrowing down to design. This principle works for everything. Here's the thing. You don't need to know how to do everything. What you need to know how to do is how to market. 2 things are very vital. 2 things. Number 1, marketing. Number 2, negotiation. That's how you make the money. I will break it down. It's not far. It's not long thing. 2 things you just need to know how to make money from anything. But because we're in a design class from design, marketing and negotiation. You don't need to stress yourself. Marketing. And I've taught you before. I said marketing is different from sales. You will never hear me talk about sales. Because sales, listen, the things I'll teach you and things you may not have heard them anywhere. They will kick against what you have heard all this while. I was able to pay for 124K and I'm not getting anything in return, like monetary terms. Because this whole thing is marketing for me. This whole thing is a strategy. Having a seminar or a meeting in this kind of a place that is where two littered up, when you guys are going home later to say bye-bye, some of you, I will pick you guys strategically and we will talk to the cameras. We talk to the cameras, oh, what did you learn today? Wow, I learned so thing, at so stage and so stage. I will document them. I will spend another 10, 20, 30,000 naira on it on the internet. The next time, Chima is not here. The last time we did something like this, we had only, how many people? 7, right? 7 people turn up. And the place was not as beautiful as this place. That was like some 2 years ago. So it's stage by stage, it's marketing. I was saying that in marketing, you go to the people, right? That's what I taught last time. In marketing, bros, you go to the people. You are the one that goes to the people in marketing. In marketing, you go to the people. In sales, they come to you. Sales is the end product of marketing. If you like, argue. That's why you are not making money. Because you don't know the right thing. I'm teaching you the right thing now. Sales is the end. Sales is automated. It's automatic. If you do your... See, if you are seeing me for the first time, you are seeing me face to face for the first time. Let me see. Not you have heard about me. You are following me online. You are seeing me face to face for the first time. See, what I'm doing to you now is marketing. Only today, I've had like 4 people recommend to me in my inbox. So person wants to do something. I have so person that wants to do something. As I talk to you now, I have 4 states, 3 states confirmed that I want to go to. 3 states. Before, as at last year, I'm the one that will organize the people. I'll be the one that will pay my, I'll still pay my air ticket. Like, it's a lot. But now, they are calling me, sir, what will it take to bring you to Nsukka? I'm like, okay, just organize the people, I'll come and teach for free.